You know, in Hollywood, they like to make our chainsaws a pretty scary things, but in actual fact, treated with respect, these guys make life a lot easier. Like all power tools, choosing the right chainsaw for the job makes your life easier and safer. Now the little 1 Plus 18 volt is ideal for the backyard in suburbia. This is for pruning some trees, cutting some firewood, general garden maintenance. The good thing about the 1 Plus is you're not mixing up oil and petrol, and you're not waking up the neighbours Sunday morning. You can also take one of these on your camping or four-wheel drive trip for cutting up firewood and small logs. Of course, they come in pretty handy if you've forgotten your camp chair as well. Want to take on a little bit more work? Well, the 36 volt brushless chainsaw is a beauty. Now there's plenty of power, and with a long bar, you can take on jobs like this. And if your chainsaw is brushless like this one, you're going to get longer battery life and more power from a single charge. If you can't make up your mind between battery or petrol, AC is the answer. This AC chainsaw has the power of a petrol chainsaw without the noise and fumes. If you're within 25 metres of a power outlet or attached to a generator, an AC chainsaw will go all day. Well, if you've got a big block with stacks of work, lots of trees and logs to cut up, petrol might be the answer. Don't let anybody kid you, size does matter. A powerful two-stroke engine, heavy-duty chain and long bar means this guy's a real workhorse. Well, there it is. Working with chainsaws isn't that scary. Now, light to medium work, you're looking for your 18 volt. For the heavy duty stuff, you go with a petrol driven or AC guy. And you're all rounded, there's no doubt about it, the 36 volt. Now, after all that hard work, you just sit back and enjoy the view.
RYOBI, a cut above.